Hello students, this is Mrs. Pavitra Ashok, your English teacher. I welcome you all to this offline English class. In the present day, brides in India are taken in a decorated car. How were the royal brides in the ancient days taken around? They were taken in palanquins. You can see the picture of palanquin on the screen. The men who carried the palanquin were called palanquin bearers. The palanquin bearers took the privilege to escort the bride. Students, do you know how are the deities in the temple taken in a procession during the festivals? The deities are taken around in palanquin and chariot. Dear students, in today's session we are going to understand the poem Palanquin Bearers written by Sarojini Naidu. Here is the introduction of Sarojini Naidu. She is well known as the Nightingale of India. She was an Indian political activist and poet. She was born on February 13, 1879 at Hyderabad. She was the first woman to become the governor of an Indian after independence. Some of her major contributions are The Broken Wing, The Bird of Time, The Golden Threshold. She died on March 2, 1949 at Lucknow. Palanquin bearers. Here, the palanquin bearers are carrying the royal bride to her husband's place. They are extremely happy and feel privileged to carry the bride to her husband's house, which is a part of the marriage ceremony. Here, the bride is compared to many things. Students, do you remember? You have already learned the figure of speech simile in the previous class. Simile. Simile is a figure of speech that compares two different things. It uses the words like or as to draw a comparison. The poem Palanquin Bearers is full of similes. Dear students, please look at first stanza of the poem. I am going to read it. Please listen carefully. Lightly, oh lightly, we bear her along. She sways like a flower in the wind of our song. She skims like a bird on the foam of a stream. She floats like a laugh from the lips of a dream. Students, please look at meanings of new words. Bear means carry. Sway means moving from one side to the other. Skim means glide smoothly over something. Foam means small bubbles. The palanquin bearers carry the bride lightly so that she feels comfortable. A flower on the plant keeps moving to and fro with the moving wind. Similarly, the bride sways like a flower as the palanquin bearers move step by step. Here, the poet says, she is as beautiful and delicate as a flower. In the third line, the poetess says, the bride is so light that she glides smoothly like a bird on the bubbles of a stream. As she is so light like a bird, the palanquin bearers do not find it difficult to carry her. In the last line, the movement of the palanquin is compared to a laugh of the bride, which changes as per her dream. It refers to the happiness of the bride as she is going to her husband's house. Dear students, in this session we have understood the first stanza of the poem Palanquin Bearers written by Sarojini Naidu. Now I am going to ask you few questions. Try to answer it. Your first question is, who wrote the poem Palanquin Bearers? Yes, the poem Palanquin Bearers is written by Sarojini Naidu. Your second question is, how do the palanquin bearers carry the bride? Yes, the palanquin bearers carry the bride lightly and softly so that she feels comfortable. Very good, students. Dear students, now I am going to end up this session. Your home assignment is you have to memorize the poem Palanquin Bearers. See you in the next session. Bye for now. Thank you.